Hi everyone, I'm Kristi from Sun Ballast. In this first video tutorial, I will show you how to create a new project with our configurator. First, let's access the new configurator from the www.sunballast.it website. Once inside, you will need to log in with your credentials. I remind you that registering is fast and free. And once logged into the platform, we can immediately start with the creation of our first project. On your profile page, you will find all the projects you are going to develop. And to start a new project, just click on New. Once clicked, the screen with the Google Map opens where we will enter the basic data of our project, thus giving a name, entering the coordinates or the address of the place where we will develop the project. It will then be necessary to enter project reference and finally, if you want, a description. Once the area has been identified, click the flag on the building where the system will be built. Now let's proceed with the creation. Here we are inside our project. The configurator has, in fact, cut out the portion of the map that interests us by inserting the building we have chosen in the center. Let's look together now the tools and buttons that the configurator makes available to us. To move around the map, we use the mouse wheel to zoom and move. At the bottom left, we find the 2D and 3D display modes. In 3D, we can also rotate using the right mouse button. At the bottom right, you will find the compass to know the orientation of the system. Now, let's move on to the buttons at the top right. The first is the button that gives us the possibility, once the project has been developed, to export the DVG. The BOM key, or Bill of Materials, instead allows us to view and export the list of materials that makes us a plant, and the 2D drawing. The Summary button instead provides us with a preliminary estimate of the production of our plant. Finally, always at the top right, we can view in real time the number of modules that we have inserted on the roof and the resulting power. The drop-down menu on the right, on the other hand, gives us the possibility to possibly change the background, to view the weather in the chosen area, and finally to create the building. But we will see this together in the next video tutorial.